Hello, creative people. Welcome to the channel. For those who love colors, softness, and impeccable finish in their drawings, today we are going to talk about the Tris Mega Soft Colored Pencil. And why should every artist test these pencils? Well, I asked myself that question too and decided to put them to the test. Let's see together if they really deliver everything they promise. Intense pigmentation with smooth lines and that control we love when creating our works. So, if you are curious to know if it is worth investing, stay with me until the end of this video because I will test it and tell you everything. My name is Norma Corrado, and we are going to review the Tris Mega Soft Colored Pencil now. Take advantage and share the video with other artists and subscribe to the channel. The Tris Mega Soft Colored Pencil is a school-colored pencil that promises to be super soft. The box I'm going to review comes with 60 colors, 58 of which are basic colors and 2 metallic colors. The first thing that caught my attention was the presentation of these pencils. They come in a plastic organizer tray and come with a sharpener. The pencil has a triangular body with a thick lead, and the name of the color is written on it. The tip of the pencil is very resistant. Let's test it out in practice. To do this, I'm going to paint a beautiful peacock from the book Flights of Imagination. You can already tell that this pencil is a material that I've used a lot. I love the color set of this colored pencil. Look, I can say that the name Mega Soft lives up to its promise. The pencil glides very well on the paper, which is great for precise details or larger areas of color. The colors come off easily and are well pigmented. One of the most important points for those who work with colored pencils is mixing the colors. In several parts of this drawing I worked on the transition from light to dark tones, and it is clear that this colored pencil created a harmonious gradient. The colors blend well together, it looks really pretty. This is the final result. I confess that I was impressed with the smoothness and pigmentation. The Tris Mega Soft Colored Pencil really delivers a very fluid drawing experience. For me, it is definitely worth testing these pencils, especially for those who seek smoothness and vibrant colors in their work. I want to hear from you. Have you ever used the Tris Mega Soft Colored Pencil? Tell me in the comments about your experience. Oh, and if you liked the video, leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more reviews and tips on art supplies. See you next time. Thank you.